students, good morning everyone. Students, today we will make some flowers. So I am making these flowers. To see the full procedure that how to make these flowers and what materials you are required, that everything I will tell you. You will see it carefully, and after that you will make some flowers and send through this WhatsApp group. Okay students, so let us start the procedure. Okay. See what materials you require. These are the kite papers. All these are the kite papers. I have taken 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors I have taken. So you can take 3 or 4 colors as much as you required, as many as you require. And this is gum, Fevicol, 1 gum you require, and these are the sticks. Instead of sticks you can use pencils also, and this is a scissor. Now see what to do. You will take 1 color. Suppose I have taken this red color, and now you will fold it in this way. You will fold it. Okay.
All the wind is coming from the window. Okay, see. Then you have to fold it in this way. Now this shape I have got, then I will cut it. Make the circles, round shapes, circles. At first, if you feel difficulties, then you can draw a circle or help of any other circular thing to make the circle, like bangles, etc. It is still not completely circle, so cut it properly and make it the circular shape. You all also make. Are you facing any problem? What? Fold it. Anyhow, fold it. You do your math. Okay, see. See. So these are the now these are the circular shape. Now finally I made it circular. Understood? Now what to do? Video হয়ে গেল তোমার টিপে। So this type of circular shape I have made. Then I will take 1 stick and in this way I will fold it so that you can find the middle portion. Middle portion, and in this way in the middle you will make 1 hole. Okay, and now put all this. All this I put it. Now what to do? You will take some Fevicol. This is the gum I have taken, and then you will put some gum here in this way. Okay. Now very easy to make. This portion you will try to close it, this face. আসুন কিছু হবে না। See, in this way, I have just simply put it some gum and then make this one the small shape. Now, here again put some Fevicol and make it in this way. Okay. Next, making it full in this way. Okay. Next, again put some gum here. Here you put some gum. Don't put so much. Okay, less. Okay, now fold it. Little amount of gum you will put, and then again fold it in this way. Fold it in this way. Okay. Now again put some gum here and fold it in this way. Understood? All the leaves you will fold. See, in this way. Rose. In this way, all the papers you will fold it. Okay. If you want, you can fold it more. Oh, this is one rose flower. It is prepared. Now, take.
Now see, the flower is ready. Now we will make some leaves. Aste kore daও. To make the leaves, we will take this green color. So by this green color, we will make the leaves. How? We will fold it in this way. So see, by this green color, using this green color, we will take them in this way, and after that we will fold it, and I have folded all these papers in this way, and we will cut these portions in this way. This side we will cut it. Okay, I've cut it then. Now again you will fold them, and then you will cut them in this way. To prepare the leaves. Okay.
Okay.
Now open this. and you will get this type of, okay, these things. Now these portions are not cutted, so if this portion is not cutted, fold it, then we will cut it, okay, in this way, and make them separate. Hold it, and you will cut it. You can make any kind of leaves. You can make the rose leaves, exactly rose leaves, or if you can't, then simply you will just make this type of leaves. It is not necessary that perfectly you have to make the rose leaves. Now what to do? This is the rose flower. We'll put some gum here. Here we will put some gum. Okay. Paste it properly. Okay. And then we put all this. From down let it start. Simply fold it. In this way, you will paste them. Understood? This type of leaves. Understood? So this is one flower is ready. Now you will take some flower vase and you will keep it here in this way. Understood? So this is a rose flower that I have made. You can see this is a rose flower. Achha, you can put some seeds also. See, these are some seeds I have taken. These are different kinds of seeds. You can take all this and then you may put it here. You will put some gum here. And yes, आवाज़ सब सुना उसमें. अच्छा, now you can put all this here. Understood? These things you can put them here. These seeds you can put. জোরে বলো কি বলছো?
অরেঞ্জটা দিও।
ও না, অরেঞ্জটাতে খিলবে না।
এটা গাম টাইপের লাগছে। Yes.
Understood? If you want, you can put more also. We can make some another by using these papers. You can make some another colors also and another flower also. How to make some another type of flowers? In my next video, I will tell you to do some another type of flowers. Okay, students. So now you will make some rose flower by using different kind 3 or 4 rose flower by using 3 or 4 colors and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, students. Bye bye.